Hello everyone. Today I am explaining you important process of mechanism of blood clotting from the same chapter, circulatory system. As you all know, platelets, the type of blood cells, they have a very important role in clotting of blood. You know, whenever there is an injury in our body, in any part of our body, the blood starts moving out, but after some times it clots and it prevents further flow of blood from that injured part. This clotting is a very important process because in certain diseases like hemophilia, because of absence of certain clotting factors, the blood of a person may take a very long time in clotting or it doesn't clot at all. So it may lead to death of a person also in case there will be continuous flow of blood from that injured part, even in a minor cut. So blood clotting, which is done by platelet, now there are various steps how the clotting of blood takes place. For this, children, you will have to learn certain words. One is thrombokinase. The same thrombokinase is also known as thromboplastin. Both are same, thrombokinase or thromboplastin. Second word you need to remember is prothrombin. Prothrombin. And third is fibrinogen. Now you remember that prothrombin and fibrinogen, they are found in plasma of blood. One very important thing about prothrombin is this prothrombin is formed in liver. This will be formed by liver, and for the formation of this prothrombin, vitamin K is required. This is important question which is mostly asked in the exams as an objective question, that name the vitamin which helps in blood clotting. It is vitamin K. And name the mineral, it is calcium. So calcium is the mineral and vitamin is K, which are helpful during the process of blood clotting. Now we are coming to the first step. This thrombokinase or thromboplastin, this substance will be released by platelets as well as the cells, the injured cells. They will be releasing this substance. So this thrombokinase or thromboplastin will be initiating the process of blood clotting. So this substance will act as an enzyme and this will help in conversion of prothrombin, which is inactive form. This prothrombin will be converted into thrombin with the help of thrombokinase or thromboplastin. So first, thrombokinase or thromboplastin will be released by platelets as well as injured cells. This will be acting as an enzyme, and in the presence of calcium ions, prothrombin, which is inactive form, will be converted into thrombin, that is active form. Now as it will become active, in second step, this thrombin, the end product, will be helping in conversion of fibrinogen. Fibrinogen is also a protein present in plasma. This fibrinogen, which is soluble, will be converted into fibrin with the help of calcium ion and in the presence of thrombin. So thrombin now will help as an enzyme and will convert fibrinogen into fibrin. Now what will happen? This fibrin you can understand it as fibers. These are insoluble fibers. So these are fibrins or fibers, they will form a network around that injured part. They will form a network. Fibrin will form a network, and along with RBCs, this will form a clot. If you look at this figure, here you can see all these fibers. These are fibers, means these are fibrins. Over the injured part, they will form a mesh, they will form a network, and along with RBCs, they will be forming a clot. This is how a clot is formed. So, this is whole mechanism of blood clotting. Blood clotting is also known as coagulation. Alright, and this is a very important process. So, starting from thrombokinase, thromboplastin. This thromboplastin will help prothrombin to convert into thrombin. Then thrombin will help conversion of fibrinogen into fibrin. Fibrin will be forming network along with RBCs, and in this way a clot will be formed, and this clot will stop or prevent further flow of blood. In this way the blood will not be lost from the injured part of a person.